Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the WELL token from Moonwell. Now this token is on the Moonbean blockchain. Name of the token is WELL and ticker symbol is also WELL. You can find this token on moonbeam.moonscan.io. And this token just got a very big central exchange listing on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Moonwell token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it was just announced, their pinned tweet here says, a new market for CBBTC has been activated on Moonwell. Moonwell is the first lending app on Base to support CBBTC, a tokenized version of Bitcoin that is backed one-to-one and custodied by Coinbase. The Moonwell community is now able to lend and borrow CBBTC on Base. So that is a new announcement. Now, Moonwell DeFi, Decentralized Finance, is an open lending and borrowing app built on Base, Moonbeam, and Moonriver. So this token, it was just listed, 2 days ago. September 27th at 8:30 UTC time, so it is available now on Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Coinex Global account, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply just go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search WELL, and then simply just buy the token. Now, according to their Moonbeam Moonscan, it says 18 decimal places on this token, 6,395 holders, 5 billion max total supply. They've had 845,945 transfers. So, very popular project here. So Moonwell is an open and decentralized lending and borrowing protocol built on Base, also Optimism, Moonbeam, and Moonriver. The app's intuitive design ensures a streamlined user experience, enabling everyone to do more with their digital assets. Now, on-chain financial tools like decentralized lending and borrowing have the ability to empower people, acting as stepping stones to new opportunities. However, they're all too often buried under complex and confusing systems. We're here to rewrite this narrative. In just a few clicks on Moonwell, you can effortlessly lend, borrow, and claim rewards, all while maintaining complete control over your digital assets. On-chain applications should not only be user-friendly, but also universally accessible. Often, many popular applications built with the intention of supporting an open and global crypto economy treat features like language support as an afterthought. Moonwell offers an integrated language drop-down menu, enabling the application to be translated into one's preferred language. Moonwell is also backed by an international community of moderators and enthusiasts, ready to guide you and your on-chain journey. By supporting global participation and accessibility, we help increase economic freedom and empowerment for all. So some of the key features here of Moonwell is number one, asset custody. With Moonwell's non-custodial architecture, you retain complete authority over your digital assets while lending and borrowing. Number two, intuitive user experience. So Moonwell provides a user-friendly interface that simplifies the lending and borrowing experience. This app has been built from the ground up to be intuitive and easy to navigate, allowing both novice and experienced users to lend and borrow digital assets effortlessly. Number 3, unwavering security. Security is at the core of the Moonwell design philosophy. Robust security measures are employed to safeguard the protocol. By prioritizing security, the Moonwell community is able to lend and borrow their digital assets with confidence. Number 4, transparent by design. All operations on Moonwell are visible on-chain, providing a level of transparency that is often lacking in traditional centralized financial systems. And lastly, number 5, on-chain governance. Proposals are required for all changes and updates to the Moonwell protocol. This ensures that the protocol remains aligned with the community's interests while eliminating single points of failure. And as a result, Moonwell becomes more resilient and resistant to disruptions. So Moonwell is supported by a diverse set of contributing teams like Lunar Labs, Gauntlet, Halborn Security, Solidity Labs, Boardroom, Warden Finance, Vector DAO, Rome Blockchain Labs, etc. There's advisors such as OX Mackey, Brandon Case, Justin Lee, and Mason Broda. So all sorts of big names there. Now they have a whole governance section on delegating, proposals, voting, parameters, frequently asked questions. They have an audits section where you can check out a whole bunch of different audits. They have a code Farina audit. They have just a whole bunch of different ones here. Too many to go over. Now they have here also the protocol information section. So it says the collateral factor is the maximum amount that can be borrowed against a specific asset in the Moonwell protocol. Is it expressed as a percentage and indicates the value of an asset that can be used as collateral for borrowing purposes. And they have examples of that you could check out as well. Now there's also staking. So you could stake. They show you how to stake, how to unstake, and claim your staking rewards. And the tokens, so they have the one on base migration here. They have a section about that as well. Smart wallets, isolated markets, vaults, borrowing, lending, getting started guide, contributors, quick links. All this information you can find on their document section, docs.moonwell.fi. And besides that, go to their webpage, moonwell.fi. You can find blog articles. You can launch their application from there. All sorts of links on there as well. And you can find this token newly listed on Coinex Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Coinex Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.